Welcome back guys to another video. So finally guys, today we are going to play Granny chapter 3 in our channel. Yes guys, after a very long time today we are playing Granny chapter 3, and actually I have returned in this game because, as you guys know, as you have seen in the title, today we are going to do the train escape. And I was saying that I had done all the escape routes, everything in Granny, all the chapter, Granny chapter 2, Granny chapter 1. But the problem is that in Granny 3 there are two type of escape. First is gate escape and second is train escape. But I have only done the gate escape. Okay. If you guys want, you guys can see I have uploaded the previous video on which I did the gate escape in Granny 3. I think on March I had uploaded. Means 7-8 means I think yes, 7 months have passed guys uploading that video. So that's why I actually forgot guys that I had to do the train escape. And when I was noticing like I haven't done the train escape yet, so I thought that I should make the video now, because obviously guys, you guys know that many times has passed. Okay, actually guys, I had planned to do the train escape, but some problems began, so that's why I forgot. But okay, so today we are back with Granny chapter 3, so we will do with the easy mode and will not keep Slendrina, and show intro we will off because last time we have seen the intro. Okay, so let's go guys. After a very long time, today I'm going to play Granny chapter 3. Last time I played it in March. Okay, 7 months ago. You guys, if you guys have not seen that gate escape, you guys can see in my playlist. On that time I used to upload videos in parts, so you will get that video in parts. You guys can watch. So first of all, in this cellar we need first of all lockpick. Yes, we have picked it, so let's do. So let's open the lock first of all. Perfect. So let's go to the down floor. Nice. So this train guys, we have to escape through this train. Oh. So we need a switch here. Yes, I know. So now we have to find many things for this, because gate escape was an easy escape, but train escape is little complex. Okay. So here we, oh my god, weapon key, very nice. So first of all guys, I am playing it in easy mode. Okay, hide. Let's hide guys, because I've created some sounds also. So let's hide here. I hope that Granny has come. I hope that Grandpa will also come. Please. Next time guys, I have to call Grandpa also. Okay, I have the weapon key. It's a little bit risky guys. Okay, you can do it again. Run, please run, please. I hope that Grandpa will also come this time. Okay, so we have a weapon key that we can use. Okay, we have to take the shotgun. Granny has came. Or where is Grandpa? Grandpa will also come guys, just wait and watch. Oh shit! Epic escape route. Epic escape. Epic. To create a sound here. she will come here, and now I have to escape from here. I think Grandpa has gone now. Please don't give me heart attack here. Let's dodge it. Shit! Let's go now, okay. I have the weapon key. Oh shit, oh shit. First of all, we have to collect stones because we will get slingshot as a weapon. Yeah, where is the stone? Okay, there is a stone. We need at least 3 stone, okay. Here we have a lift also. So first of all, I have to take the stone and use the weapons now. Oh, there is plank. That's good. So let's search this place, okay? Search. Just a little bit risk. Safe key. But first of all, guys, I have to use the weapon key, okay? I have to use the weapon key first of all. So we need also coconut for this. It's a cutting tool. So let's use the lift. We'll go to the upstairs. Granny is in the down floor because we have created the sound there, but I don't know what about Grandpa. I have seriously no idea, man. So we need the safety there. On. Let's open this gate. I'm going to escape here, please. Let me escape here, please. First of all, we will take the weapon from here. Let's search here. I don't think I will get anything here. Nothing. First of all, let's kill Grandpa. Perfect. Sorry guys for the sound. Your Granny also come, please. Okay. Perfect. Here I am playing as a pro here, okay. So now we have to kill the crow and first open this door. Oh, coconut is there. We will cut the coconut just right now, but first of all, we will have to go to the upstairs and kill the crow first. Yes, some of the time, guys. Train key. That's good. We got train key. That is useful, guys, for our mission, okay. So first of all, I have to take the coconut because coconut is important. We will get the coin from the coconut, and with the help of the coin, we can get entry. Means we can first of all we will get the ticket, train ticket, and then we can stop that robot, okay, and we can gain entry into that train. So first of all, let's cut it. Coin, let's pick it. So we have a switch, we have seen there. We have also train key. We just need the accelerator, right? I think we just need the accelerator. Let's go, guys, let's go. I think our escape can be done today. We just need, guys, that accelerator. So let's pick the coin here. We will get a train ticket and we have to give it to this ticket controller robot. And now he will open this for us. Please open this, please. Yes. So now I think Granny and Grandpa has woke up. Okay. I'm sure they have woke up, but I have to take the risk. first of all I need to go to the upstairs. So we have the shotgun, but that is on the upload, so we have to go there first of all. I think in the safe accelerator we can get, right? Oh shit, I've dropped it. Please, yeah, lift, come fast. There is a ammo. I'm taking a very big risk, guys. First take the safe key. And there is also plank, right? You can also use the plank first of all. So let's go to the safe box. So on that we can get the accelerator, or we have also found the plank, guys. On the plank we can also get the accelerator. Yes, so correct. Bridge crank, here we don't need bridge crank. Seriously, bridge crank. Bridge escape is already done here. Come on. Can we just take the shotgun, please? Grandpa. Okay, grandpa is not here. So we can take the shotgun. So we have achieved our switch there. We'll pick it. First of all, I need the shotgun, but there is no ammo. That is the problem. So we have to first find the ammo. We have found the ammo, guys, here in this place. Let's pick now. Now we just need grandpa. I have to just greet him. Hello grandpa, where are you? Yeah, I see you. So now I have to just take the switch and accelerator. I think we will find it in this room. That for that we need the plank. Okay, so we'll find the plank. We have already found that on the shed. Okay, so we have come here for an emergency purpose. Lift will come, and we have the train key on the upload. Oh, there is shotgun here. Now grandpa can take the shotgun. I have to first take the shotgun. Okay, so now let's come here, and I think I should drop all the items here, right? Then we can escape faster. I think I'm not 100% sure, but I think actually that it can be there on the plank room. So we have our shotgun, and for emergency we are also picking the stone. Let's pick the stone because these are important. So it's the shed room. Okay, we are dropping it here. Plank. So let's go to the plank room. Then we will bring our train key, and then let's see will we get the accelerator or not. Okay. Oh no. Yes. Perfect. Okay, let's go fast. So let's go to the floor. I think Granny and Grandpa are going to be alive. Okay. Yes. Oh, I told you already. Let's see. Yes. We got our accelerator. The problem is that, guys, but the problem, oh my god, I have the accelerator, but the problem is that the Granny and Grandpa has been alive. Okay, let's see. Oh my god. Okay, I see you. We have one ammo. Let's use it. Okay. Perfect. So we have the accelerator, and we have to also take our train key in the down floor. So let's see, let's go. So let's damage the trap. So I'm dropping it here, and I am taking the train key, guys. Okay. So train key is in the up floor. So let's go. So we have the time, guys, because I don't think Granny and Grandpa will be alive. So in this room, yes. Please, train key. Yes. Alright, guys. Alright. Our escape is done. Train escape in Granny chapter 3 is done. Let's go. So let's first of all come here and attach it here, and we have the switch. So let's, yes. So now, guys, the train has the electricity power, so we just need the accelerator. So now let's go, and now we can escape. Let's close the door first, and guys, finally our goodbye from Granny's house. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Finally we have done the train escape, guys, in Granny game. Yes! Slendrina, Granny and Grandpa, bye-bye. Okay, finally, guys, after a very long time, I am completing Granny game in day 1. Seriously. If you guys have remembered, in the bridge escape, I have almost taken 3 or 4 days. Seriously. But this time, in only 1 day. Oof. Alright, guys, so that was the video. I hope you guys have liked this video, and if you guys will show some support in this video and leave a like and give some support in this video, then definitely I'm going to do a finale of Granny chapter 3, because obviously you guys know that I have done the finale of Granny chapter 2. I have also done the finale of Granny 1, but I haven't done a perfect ending of Granny 3. So if you guys will support in this video and like this video, so definitely we are going to complete this Granny chapter 3 also, like our previous 2 chapters, and the finale episode, guys, will be Granny chapter 3 in hard mode. Yes. So if you guys are excited, leave a like, and so that was the video, and we will meet in the next video. Bye bye.